Hi, myself Chef Faizan. As I promised, I will be sharing some quick and healthier recipe on my Instagram page. So let's start with the recipe. To make granola bar, here I am taking 150 grams of rolled oats. Now I am gonna roast it until it turns aromatic. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes. When you get aroma of roasting oats, now here I am adding roasted almond, roasted pistachio, walnut, and cashew nut. All these nuts have already been roasted in the oven. I have roasted these nuts in the oven, but if you want, you can roast these nuts on the pan also. Stir it well. Now I am adding golden raisin. If you want, you can also add black raisin. That will add color to your granola bar. Now add peanut butter. The peanut butter I am using here is creamy one. If you want and you like crunchiness in the peanut butter, you can use that crunchy peanut butter also. After adding peanut butter, turn off the heat and mix it well. In this recipe, I am using raw honey, which is Kashmir honey from tree honey. Since this recipe, a healthy recipe, I blindly trust tree honey because it's pure and raw without adding any preservatives or any additives. Adding sweetness with a healthier substitute is something I really enjoy cooking with. After adding honey, mix it well until it combines. You will find it quite sticky at first, but don't worry, it will get set once you keep in the fridge for 3 hours. Once your mixture is ready and well combined, transfer your healthy granola bar mixture onto butter paper lined tray and shape it using a spatula. You have to give it a shape of a kind of block. You can use spatula or any flat spoon to shape it. Don't touch it, it is quite hot at this stage, so never touch it with your bare hand. Press it into a nice block. After giving it a shape, keep it in the fridge for about 3 hours. Then it will get set firm to cut into bars. After keeping it in the fridge for 3 hours, now it is set to cut into bars. Now I will show you how our healthy granola bars has turned out. Here I am using nicely sharpened knife to cut these healthy granola bars. It is just perfect, the way I was expecting it to turn out to be. How nice it is. Please give it a close look. Have a look. See how nice it is. It is just perfect and healthy granola bar.